Okay, group, my name is Richard Rowe. I was just going to do a little quick tutorial on the Infinity platform. Don't play this, no attention in the background. I'm currently in the markets, but I wanted to do a demo on how the Infinity platform works and why I like it. A little bit over Ninja. It's a whole lot less complicated. So I have the quick key right down here in my taskbar. They're going to ask you this question right here. Do you want to launch this? Pretty much you just say yes. It's going to come up like this, pop up. You're going to have a demo mode, a live mode, and a simulated live. So the demo mode, of course, is when you go to the website, you order your download links, and they send you a login. The live mode is going to be, of course, when you're live in the markets. We're not going to log into my live account, of course. Then you have the simulated live, which is when you're in your live account, but it's just simulated live, which is pretty much the same as demo. So let me log into a demo account I set up. Here's my login. Just copy and paste this over. Okay. And then once you hit the tab key, hit the tab on your keyboard, it'll pop up with your demo account. Then you hit yes, you are accessing demo. Click that. One other thing to note, when you're downloading, they're gonna ask, do you want to download the Sierra charts, which is this is what's loading up right now. I like it, Sierra charts, love Sierra charts. They come with a lot of programming you can do if you're into programming and stuff like that, but they have templates already set up for you to use. And we're gonna kind of breeze through those on how they set up. When you see this little green bar, that means you connected live, you can go ahead and close this log, and you're waiting for the data to download in the background. If you're downloading a fresh demo account, it should be already to the latest contract. So as you can see, you got the E-mini S&P 3-minute chart, E-mini S&P 60-minute chart, and it's the same one. And this is, like I said, this is already a template that's already been downloaded. There's so many different templates on this Sierra chart, it's just amazing. But this is what they call the profile, the footprint. This is what the traders use actually on the floor. Let me pull up the trading dome. So I go down here, and you can see that you got the dome. When you put your orders in on the left hand side, and you got your the active bar. This active bar must always be open. This is how you get to your different market that you want to trade. So we want to trade, let's say crude oil. If I want to trade crude oil, I would click it, then hit the plus sign, and it'll pop up down here. If I want the dome, the D, that's what that stands for. You hit the down arrow, the dome will pop up. We'll close that out for right now. If you want the charts to show, you hit the C, the down arrow up under the C, and the charts will show up, and it's Sierra charts, and it's in over here this little world thing that down here at the bottom. They got the CL 1-minute chart. So I'm gonna do my little demo on CL. So right now this is a 1-minute chart. What month are we trading in? We're trading in. Let me go back and change it. Let's close this chart out. We're gonna close this chart out. Yes, we want to close that chart. We're gonna go to the closest month, which I think is what month we in. CL front month. Right now, the front month for the CL, I like to trade the front month because you have the most liquidity. If we want to see, we are in the what front month we in. We're trying to see right quick. I trade the crude oil market, but I haven't been trading the crude oil market. I'm so heavy into the stock market, as you can see. Sometimes when the stock market slow down, I go back to crude. When crude slow down, I go back to the stock market. Right now, I'm currently in the stock market, so that's why I have my TD Ameritrade up. Let me go back to what we was at. So we in the front month will be. What symbol they got over here? I don't know what I don't know what website this is. I just went to the first one I saw. Currently trade. Okay, so we'll use that one right there. So okay, we'll use that. So we'll go back here. Go back to your dome. And we'll pull up the chart. Right now the crude oil is down $1.99. We'll pull up the dome. We'll close out the E-mini S&P for right now. Pull up the dome. We'll go to a 60-minute chart. All you have to do is we'll blow this up, And on your keyboard, you literally hit 60M and enter. And it's gonna pull up the 60-minute chart. The charts are phenomenal. All your tools, you got your Fibonacci tool right here. Point and click. You have your arrows. You can make arrows at however you want to do it. Trend lines. Move your trend lines however you want to move them. What else we got up here? Horizontal grid. I don't usually use that. I don't usually use calculator. I use the ray line, of course. I use the ray for my trend lines. And pretty much this is all you basically you're gonna use. Like I always block out my zones. I'm looking for the market to break out or break into. That's what I use the block for. You can change the color of this block, any kind of color you want to change it to. If you see you're stuck on this and you click on something, all you have to do is go to this arrow right here. It'll change it to where you can move it, delete it, click it, delete it, simple. However you want to do it, we can go to a 5-minute chart, literally click 5 minutes on your keyboard, or you can go up into your quick keys, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily. Take a little bit more time for daily and weekly, right? So we're going to delete all this stuff off of here right quick. And right now we're looking at the weekly chart, as you can see right here. We're going to back out to the 60-minute chart. And right now the oil is falling off a cliff, of course. You can scroll, use this the side to make it bigger or larger. If you want more data to show up in front of your face, you use the bottom, you click and hold. And you squeeze, slide left or right to get more data to show. So if I was trading this right now, I would be looking for this zone right here to be violated, which it looked like it already been violated. Perfect. Going into what they call a continuation pattern. So if I wanted to make a trade on this, I would go back to my trading dome. Pull up my dome. It should already be up. Slide it over so we can see everything. And if I wanted to put an order in, say if I wanted to sell, which you wouldn't want to sell, right? Say if I wanted to sell on your demo account, you'll have quick keys for one contract, 2 contracts, 3 contracts, 5 contracts, 10 contracts, 15, 20, and so on. So for demo purposes, we'll just go 1 contract. Quick click means that you would have to just 1 click will get you in and out of the market. When you click it, it's gonna ask you, do you want to let you know this is a simulated account, and that order will be sitting right there. All right. If I wanted to move this order down closer to the market, the blue shaded area is where the market is trading at right now. So I'll simply click it 1 time and slide it down. Click. Wait to see if I get in. If I don't get in, I can cancel that order. Hit cancel all. If I want to sell and buy at the market, I can buy at the market. It's gonna do this. It's gonna ask you about the let you know it's a demo account. We got in. Let me move it down so you can see. We got in at 45.55, and right now the profit and loss is 0. Okay. So once we get a tick above that, above or below, it'll go plus or minus. So right now the market's not moving. So while we're waiting to see where it's gonna move, we can set up a simple bracket order. You can set up simple brackets, trailing stops, multi-bracket, trailing bracket. I don't get into all that. I only do simple brackets. You can get into the trailing stops and all that type of stuff if you into that type of stuff. But I only do the simple bracket, and you can put it on auto. It's saying it's 0 because these numbers are 0. But we'll move back to simple. And I will say if I wanted to take profit at 10 pennies in crude oil, I will put a 10. I want my stop loss to be at 5 pennies. We'll say 3 pennies. So we can see that. We'll say 4 so we can see it in action now. And all you gotta do is hit send bracket. And you can see it sent it out there. I'm in at 45.55, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my stop. 45.55 plus 10 is simply 65. 45.65. So that's the order automatically got sent in. You can also adjust this order while it's sitting out there. You can always just adjust it, point and click to move it. If I want to move my stop, which I advise nobody never do. Once you set your stop, you just set the stop and that's it. So if I wanted to cancel these bracket orders, I just hit cancel order. And I'm still alive until the market at 45.55, right here. Down 20 bucks right now on 1 contract. And you'll see the demo up at the top. That's another way you can determine if people trading demo or simulated accounts. Some people will show that they're trading, say they're trading live, but really they're trading demo, which is fine. They just use it for instructional reasons only. Let me get the chart showing up back in the background again. Minimize that. Minimize that. Get the dome back up. All right. So we still in negative 20 right now. I will send the bracket back out again. Stop loss at 4 points. Profit at 10 points. Right. So while that order is working in the background, we're gonna go back to the charts. Show you a few more different things you can do on the charts. You can actually trade from the charts, and now you will go to here, trading simulator on. You will turn that off. You're gonna make sure you know what you're doing, and you can go to show chart trading mode on. All right, and you want to show orders on the chart. Show field orders. Let me make sure I did that right. I'm doing this on my laptop too. If I had it on my desktop, all this stuff already be set up. But I'm working remotely today, so maybe we're not gonna get into trade from the charts right now. But anyway, because you got to go through a kind of whole little setup. But the reason why I like Infinity a little bit over Ninja, because it's simple. It's light on your computer, as you can see. It's light and fast execution. We go back to the dome. See where we at. We're down 50 now, so we'll center it. Or we got stopped out. I'm sorry. So the auto stop was at 4, but I guess it must have slipped down to flush down. We was long at 45.55. Go back to a 5-minute chart and see what happened. Or we'll go to a 1-minute chart and see what happened. Came down to flush this out, and now it bounced back up. 5-minute chart pretty much gonna show the same thing. That would be what they call an entry short right there. That's something that I teach my students how to do, using belt hold patterns for entry and exit. Simple little method I use. But we're gonna go back to the dome. And since everybody like the ES, let's pull up the ES. We'll close the crude oil dome. We'll open up the E-mini S&P dome, which will be this one. Right now the E-mini S&P is up 575. We can go to the charts. We'll close the crude oil chart out. Yes, we want to close that one out. The profile that will blow it up, so we'll blow up a 60-minute ES chart, which is the same thing as you do as a regular window. Just blow it up like that. The profile charts is what's showing in the background. Is showing you the actual order flow that's coming in and out. Right now, we're looking for a breakout above this green line, because that's what the next resistance is. Also hitting is what they call a belt hold pattern right here. 50% of that, I guarantee that's what it hit. It bumped up against 50% of this belt hold. So we're gonna put in a sell order right now. If I was live, I would put in a sell order. So I will sell. We're gonna sell 2 on the ES. Sell 2. We in. We're down 25 already. All right. You can see it's real seamless. Point and click. There's no purchasing a NinjaTrader platform and no leasing and none of that type of stuff. And save your money for trading. Once you open up an Infinity account, you use the charts, and they charge you $20 a month if you don't trade 10 or more round turns per. I know it's 20 or more round turns per month, but most likely if you're day trader, that won't be no problem. That way your software will be free. I mean, not your software, your charting will be free. The dome is lightning quick. We up $25 right now. So let's see. If I wanted to try to manage this order, I would set me a bracket order. All right, I would set take profit at, we'll say take profit at 6 points, stop loss at 3 points. That'll give me 50% ratio, and we'll simply send that order out. Okay. Hold on, one of my students probably calling me. Hold on 1 second. We got stopped out. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a rough synopsis of the Infinity platform and how simple it is to use. You set your bracket orders in, you put your stops in. It's simple. We wanted to get back in the market, we hit buy. If you wanted to get out of the market, we hit sell. Simple. If you want to join at the bid, you hit join bid. To put you probably a few pennies below the market to join the bid. Simple. All right. But anyway, I just wanted to give a quick little video on Infinity Trade platform.